Hello, my name is Brian Weeks and I am a Senior AEC Technical Specialist for ATG USA. Today, I'm going to show you in the newly released FormIt 2021 about Dynamo-Generated design. Dynamo Studio is a standalone programming environment that lets designers create visual logic to explore parametric conceptual designs and automate tasks. Dynamo is most often used to analyze BIM data, automate repetitive documentation tasks, and exchange data. With a FormIt Pro subscription, you can now connect and execute Dynamo graphs inside FormIt for Windows. FormIt 2021 comes with Dynamo built in with some computational design workflows already loaded. So on your right taskbar, you can select Dynamo, and you can see some of these preloaded workflows that we already have in here, such as 3D text. So I can come over here, select on the text. A properties window will pull up to where I can modify the properties if I want to change the text. You can change the font, multiple options to change parameters for just that one workflow. Click Run to update your text. I also have arrays along paths, column grids, the one we're also going to look at today. Super easy and fun to use are louvers. And this gives you some opportunity to do some solar studies to analyze the way the sun hits your project, your building, and then you can modify these louvers accordingly to miss out on to protect your building from the solar heat. So I'm going to try to get these to fit within this space, 11'7". So I can come over here to my properties, change my length. I'm going to change my height and hit Run. It's going to modify those louvers to fit the dimensions that I specified. I can move those over to here. To our building. Look at it in 3D. You can also change them to be horizontal. So quite a few options with some changes. I can get that to fit into the space I require. But very cool workflows that are built into the new FormIt 2021. Stairs is another nice one that you can modify and adjust. Adjust landings, adjust widths and lengths and heights, and to automatically generate your stair workflows. Well, thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions, comments, or even requests for additional web content, please visit atgusa.com.